Hey guys, good Sunday afternoon. Wanted to invite you to my open house on 3543 Junction Bend Road in the beautiful subdivision of Pine Mill Ranch. What is amazing about this house is it's ginormous. There is nothing that you lack in this house, in this gorgeous community. Let me give you a little bit of an idea while we walk through the house. We walk in to a office slash living room, formal living room, whatever you would like it to be. And then we walk straight in to the dining room right over here. With a little bit of imagination, you can do so much with this space. You can open it up to make it a one ginormous room if you would like. Moving forward, we have a enormous family room. To your right is the laundry, is the garage. You have your half bath powder room, your family room, and your kitchen. We got some stuff for you to eat if you want to stop by and see. This house is about 2,900 square feet, 3,000 square feet. Your master bedroom is downstairs. If you know a little bit about Pine Mill Ranch, you know it's in a great community. Any ranch home in either Cinco Ranch, Pine Mill Ranch, Silver Ranch, you cannot get a home of this size under $300,000. So this house is listed for currently at $275,000. We just dropped the price. Huge closet. You see that? And then again, with Pine Mill Ranch being in 77494 zip code south of I-10, you know it's a well-desired neighborhood. It is zoned to the best school. We'll just go upstairs in the meantime. It has the best, I think Davidson is the elementary, Taze is the junior high, zone 2, and Tompkins. I think Taze is only biking distance from here. Huge game room, as you can see. And it has 4 big bedrooms upstairs with 2 full bathrooms. Going into the first bedroom, here's a huge walk-in closet you can see. And there's, you know, Jack and Jill Hollywood style bathroom. Coming into the other bedroom, again, another walk-in closet. And we are now outside to the other third bedroom. Again, a huge bedroom, another walk-in closet. Sorry if I'm moving a little bit fast, but I wanted to show you this huge house because I can't fit it in just a quick video. So here's the 4th bedroom, and here's another full bathroom. There you go. So you have a huge house for a price that is unbelievable for this side of town. If you are interested in this house, please stop by at the open house today between 2 and 5, or you can call, email me, or text me at 281-989-1117, and we'll talk about this house at your convenience. Looking forward to seeing you guys. Bye.